Hi, here at Team Believe It, we believe every question has an answer, every problem has a solution, and everything is possible. Please subscribe to our channel, hit the like button, and share these videos with everyone you know. By the way, we saved the best tip at the end of the video. Now for today's topic. In this guide, we'll explore strategies to give your small business the appearance of a large and impressive enterprise. Whether you're a startup or a small business looking to scale up, projecting a larger image can enhance your credibility, attract more clients, and open doors to bigger opportunities. Let's dive into the steps to achieve this. Chapter 1. Build a professional brand identity. You will need to develop a strong brand. How do you do this? Start with a logo. Invest in a high-quality professional logo that reflects your business's values and industry. Choose a consistent color palette and font styles for all your materials. Second, create a cohesive visual identity. You can start by creating a website. You don't need to spend money on this. Several free websites are available online. Ensure your website is sleek, user-friendly, and mobile-optimized. Use high-resolution images and professional graphics. Third, you can also create some marketing materials. Design business cards, brochures, and flyers that align with your brand's visual identity. Fourth, craft a professional brand voice. Develop a consistent tone for all your communications, whether formal or casual, to match your target audience. Chapter 2. Enhance your online presence. As I mentioned earlier, you might want to create your own website. Optimize your website through SEO practices. Implement search engine optimization techniques to improve your visibility on search engines. Focus on content creation, and regularly update your blog with relevant and high-quality content. Second, learn to leverage through social media. Choose social media platforms that align with your target market. Third, create contents online. Post engaging content regularly, including updates, promotions, and industry news. Fourth, build a professional profile. Ensure your profiles are complete and professionally curated. Fifth, invest in online advertising. Utilize platforms like Google Ads and social media advertising to reach a broader audience. You can also do remarketing. Implement remarketing strategies to re-engage visitors who have previously interacted with your site. Chapter 3. Implement scalable systems. First, utilize cloud-based solutions. Adopt project management tools like Asana, Trello, or Monday.com to manage projects efficiently. You can also use CRM systems. Use customer relationship management software to track client interactions and sales processes. Second, automate your processes. You can start with email marketing. Automate email campaigns to keep in touch with clients and nurture leads. You can also use accounting software. Use tools like QuickBooks or Xero for financial management. Third, invest in scalable infrastructure. Try web hosting. Choose a reliable web hosting provider that can handle increased traffic as your business grows. You can also check e-commerce solutions. Implement scalable e-commerce platforms if you sell products online. Chapter 4. Build credibility and authority. First, showcase client testimonials and case studies. You can always request and display reviews from satisfied clients. You can even use detailed case studies. Highlight successful projects and outcomes to demonstrate your expertise. Second, obtain industry certifications and awards. Acquire relevant certifications that add credibility to your business. Enter industry competitions and showcase any awards won. Third, publish thought leadership content. White papers and ebooks are very popular nowadays. Create in-depth content that positions your business as an authority in your field. Participate in or host webinars and industry events also. Chapter 5. Adopt a growth mindset. First, expand your network. You can join industry associations, become a member of relevant associations, and attend industry events. You can also try partnerships and collaborations. Partner with other businesses to leverage their networks and gain exposure. Second, focus on customer experience. Create a good feedback mechanism. Implement systems to gather and act on customer feedback. Lastly, provide exceptional service. Strive to exceed customer expectations with every interaction. You can also scale strategically. Use market research if necessary. Continuously analyze market trends and adjust your strategies accordingly. Try business development options. Explore new markets, product lines, or services to fuel growth. By implementing these strategies, you can effectively create the impression that your small business operates on a larger scale. Investing in a professional brand identity, enhancing your online presence, utilizing scalable systems, building credibility, and maintaining a growth mindset will help you project an image of success and reliability. Remember, consistency is key to making a lasting impression. As always, here at Team Believe It, we believe every question has an answer, every problem has a solution, and everything is possible. Please subscribe to our channel, hit the like button, and share these videos with everyone you know. Thank you.